All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about on the show crypto.com, cryptocurrency CRO. Right now, the token would be one of those things that we call a discount buy. It's down a little bit in the last 7 days. We're going to cover that once we get to over the coin market cap. Also, we're going to go to a Tesla owner of a car that's been mining cryptocurrency in his car, and he's making about $800 a month with his Tesla car. So mining cryptocurrency with your car, it's going to be pretty interesting. Is this something you're going to want to do? Do you think you're going to want to do it? It did say it voided the warranties of the car, so we're going to kind of dig into that a little bit. But he is mining up to about $800 a month with this car. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, a coin market cap here. Crypto.com is the 17th cryptocurrency on the list. CRO, it's at 45 cents. It's actually discount by heaven, 22% down. Right above their Chainlink is 28% up. If you're into when the coin is up, doing your investments, you got run right above it. If you're looking for the discount buy like El Salvador does when it's down, crypto.com right below it. There you go, clicking it. Over to the right here, again, it's down about 3.83%, traded at about 45 cents. 7 days. So in the last 7 days, this coin was all the way up at 58 cents. It's come back down. We'll do a price prediction when we're done here. When we come back to crypto.com, it kept going down. Yeah, so it was as high as 58 cents. But just like all the other cryptocurrencies, when the Feds made that announcement that they're going to hike the interest rates 3 times in 2022, and then all the cryptocurrencies came down. Discount buy. Woo! Discount buy. This is what we're talking about. Let's look at the holders of crypto.com. Clicking 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, there was about 114,000 holders. Today, there's 195,000. Let's just call it 80. We're up about 75%. Over 75% more people are owning the CRO. That's a really, really good sign. More and more people are finding out about it. And then again, yeah, let's go over to the Twitter. So right here where it says Crypto.com Arena, totally lots of people are going to hear about this crypto through the arena. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So like right here, it says Lebron did it again. What did Lebron do? He did 32 points, 8 rebounds, 9 assists, 4 steals, and 3 blocks. That's 4 straight wins. You know, so they got the Lakers right here.
The NBA this year. Pass never made it to college. And a little room service for LeBron. And this time Bradley secured.
My point on is how many cryptocurrencies out there that there's all kinds of fans sitting in the stands rooting on LeBron James. So if you got all kinds of people going to crypto.com and they don't know about cryptocurrency, don't you think they're going to go on their phone and download the app? So this is one of these cryptocurrencies that always is going to be in the mainstream because people are going to go to crypto.com. People are literally going to be on their phone. I really like this cryptocurrency. So again, the Lakers right here, they got 4 straight wins. Crypto.com. Also crypto.com, institutional new leveraging pairs added to the margin trading. So take a look at this. They got a couple of them. GRT, Elon, BAT, One, Matic, Bisco. Yep, so all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade up to 10K leverage now. So new leverage pairs added to margin trading. Super fantastic. Brought to you by, you know it, crypto.com. All right, so here it is. This Tesla owner says he mines up to $800 a month in cryptocurrency in his car. So there it is. There's his car. It says Tesla owner speaks to CNBC about how you can use your computer and battery of the car to mine cryptocurrency. So what does it say here? So this owner has tried just about every way there is to mine cryptocurrency from his 2018 Tesla Model 3. He runs free Bitcoin mining software on his Apple Mac Mini M1 and powers the computer by plugging in the inverter into a 12-volt power socket located in the center console of his car. He also hooks up interconnected graphics processing unit of GPUs to front of his Tesla running the machines of his car international battery through the risk of voiding the car warranty. But he says it's worth it. When the price of Ethereum was peaking in 2021, he claims he was netting about $800 a month mining from his car. Bitcoin miner said ultimately mining from his Tesla is just like connecting to any other power source. The main component is price of the electricity. If it's cheaper doing it through electric vehicle, then so be it. So yeah, he's got electric vehicle, and he's saying it could be cheaper to mine, and he's mining $800. I like electricity, I like zapping stuff, building stuff. You give it an electric motor, I give it a finished product, he says. You know, he says he successfully used the vehicle's interframe firmware to mine altcoins. It's no big deal, he said, of the process he used to build in computer and screen in the car to navigate the web pages, and he set up a specific mine for the popular privacy token. I could run the mining program within the browser. He said the most profitable involves a mix of hacking into the Tesla's intercomputer plug-and-play GPU directly into the car's electrical motor. It's a computer's with wheels. It's so simple to hack into the computer's car. You know, he says he describes the process of essentially hijacking the car's firmware to allow the extra power usage. So there he is, all excited when he was working on his car, making it a miner. But is the profit worth the hassle? So, I don't know. Give us your thoughts here. Do you think it's worth mining with your car to make $800 a month? I mean, that $800 a month could make the car payment. It could make partial the car payment. It could cover some of the gas. So we got people mining cryptocurrency, converting their engines and their computers of their cars into miners. Pretty interesting. Hey, while you're out there, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. What do you think? Are you going to mine with your car? Are you going to go in there and hack into the computer system and download some mining programs? It is a pretty interesting concept. Gentleman's making up to $800 a month mining with this car. All right, let's head back over to CRO Price Prediction. All right, let's check out this commercial.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
Crypto.com. That's the advertisement we may be seeing during the Super Bowl commercials. All right, let's do our little price prediction here. Crypto.com. It's at 45 cents here. Going back the last 3 months of the charts here, this token went all the way up to 88 cents, 94 cents, 70 cents. You know, I like this coin to get back to 55 to 60 cents by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. Too many people sitting in the stands watching LeBron James play. We're going to hear about Crypto.com for years and years to come. This cryptocurrency is definitely going to be popular. All right, CoinMarketCap. Again, Chainlink is up 27%. Polygon is down 20%. Discount buy. Shiba Inu, 17% down. Discount buy. Buying the dip. Dogecoin down 14%. Avalanche down 23%. Luna down 19%. Polkadot down 17%. Get your radar out, everybody. Solana down 20%. Binance Coin down 18%. Ethereum down 17%. Bitcoin down 12%. So El Salvador's probably trying to figure out how much more Bitcoin they're going to buy. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Yeah, everybody, Crypto.com. I love this cryptocurrency. I can't wait to go out to Los Angeles to sit in the stands and actually check out how it went from red to blue. All right, everybody, today's Sunday. Football is going to be going on. Tom Brady's also going to be pumping the cryptocurrency. Hey, everybody, have a great day today.